It is time for a Polygon Matic price prediction. Let's go over the fixed volume profile range. We have heavy selling pressure, especially around the point of control. Weak buyers all the way, so I'm only seeing shorting opportunities. Basically from right here to right here, it seems that we have massive selling pressure to the downside. So here's how I'm planning to do this. So I'll do a sell with a take profit at point of control, and I'll be adding to this sell on the way up. This is basically no BS price prediction on POL. I don't want to waste a second of your time, so hit the like button. This video is not financial advice. I'm a random dude on the internet. 280 grind up on meme coins. If you want to follow these trades, they're gatekeeped only for my community members in the link in the description below, and there's a link to my course.